Hi everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learning Easy channel. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the exercise 1.1 of real numbers. Okay, in that we know we are going to apply Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm to simplify or solve the problems of that exercise 1.1. These are very important and theoretical questions almost. Okay, now we are going to start the problems. See example 1. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where that q is some integer is asking. For that, firstly we have to assume that positive integer as a mark. Okay, let the positive integer be a. Let the positive integer be a. See, we have to prove if that a is 2q, then that is in even form. Okay, Nama. So, if the given positive integer a is in the form of 2q plus 1, then it is odd. Okay, for that, see, if a is equal to 2q even, if a is equal to 2q plus 1, then it is odd. Okay, now see so here I am going to compare it with the Euclid division lemma. Okay, firstly I am going to write the definition. Euclid division lemma. Okay, see for the given integers a and b, there exists an unique pair of integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r comma 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. Okay, this is our Euclid division lemma. Okay, I am going to compare that a with bq plus r. Then what is b by just observing that a is equal to 2q or a is equal to 2q plus 1. Clearly here b is equal to 2, no? Clearly here b is equal to 2. Okay, that is a is equal to 2q plus r and that r is always lies in between 0 to 2 now. Why? Because b value is 2 now. See that is r value is from 0, 1. Okay na? 0 and 1, that's it. See we know this r is always less than the b. Okay, here b is 2. So the r values are maybe 0 or 1. Understand? Now 0, 1 means these are the two different cases. Now we are going to check case 1. If r is equal to 0, then a is equal to 2q plus 0. Okay, that implies a is equal to 2 into q. We know if a is equal to 2q, then it is even. Okay na? Case 2. If r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 2q plus 1. We know even plus 1 is odd. That means this a becomes even if it is in the form of 2q, and the positive integer a becomes odd if it is in the form of 2q plus 1 where the q is some integer. Okay, now that is from case 1 comma case 2. Okay, every positive integer every positive integer which is in the form of 2q is even and 2q plus 1 is odd. Okay, now in this way we are going to simplify the given question. Okay, these are very important theoretical questions, ma. See, ma, example 2. Show that any positive odd integer is in the form of 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. And he may ask you to prove any positive even integer is in the form of 4q plus 2, 4q plus 4 also, ma. Okay, now I am going to solve both the questions in a single one. Okay, see, for that firstly we have to assume the positive integer. Let a be a positive integer. Okay, then after just write the Euclid division lemma definition. I am not going to write. While solving, you just write the Euclid division lemma. Here we know a is equal to bq plus r, 0 is less than r is less than b. 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. Now see, here clearly by observing the problem, that means by applying the Euclid division algorithm here, b value is 4. Why? Because the integer, if a is equal to 4q plus 1, then it is odd. If the integer a is equal to 4q plus 3, then it is odd. We have to prove. That means here b is equal to 4. Clearly here b is equal to 4. Listen, ma. If b is equal to 4, then a is equal to 4q plus r, and that 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 4. Understand, ma? That is r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Why? Because the r value is less than the b. That means r value is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that means here we are going to have 4 different cases. Case 1, ma. See, in this case 1, if r is equal to 0, then see, ma, then a is equal to 4q plus 0. That means this 4q can be expressed as 2 into 2q. That means, see, ma, it is in the form of 2 into some value that is even. Now, case 2. If r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 4q plus 1, ma, and this can be expressed as 2 into 2q plus 1. Just observe, ma, this value he has 2 into some number plus 1. 2 into something plus 1 is always odd number, we know. Okay, now that is equal to odd. Okay, na, ma? Now case 3. If r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 4q plus 2, ma. That is equal to c, ma. 4q plus 2 can be expressed as by taking 2 as common, 2q plus 1. That is equal to even, ma. Okay, now case 4. If r is equal to 3, then a is equal to 4q plus 3, ma. This 4q plus 3 can be expressed as 4q plus 2 plus 1. By taking out 2 common, 2q plus 1 plus 1. Now see, this entire value is expressed as 2 into something plus 1. That is odd. Okay, now see, I want only odd cases now. Why? Because I have to show any odd integer is in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. See, this a becomes odd if it is in the form of 4q plus 1, and this a becomes odd if it is in the form of 4q plus 3. That is our conclusion, ma. Okay, so see, from case 2 and 4. From case 2 and 4. Okay, now from case 2 and 4, every positive odd integer is in the form of 4q plus 1 comma 4q plus 3. Okay na? Where q is some integer. See ma, here it is one question. If he asks you to show that any positive even integer is in the form of 4q plus 2 comma 4q plus 3 where some q is some integer, then you have to write this case 1 and case 3 ma. See, here the conclusion is from case 1 and 3 every positive even integer is in the form of 4q plus 2 or 4q plus 3. Okay na, where the q is an integer. Understand ma? In that way you are going to solve the question. Okay na, in the single question we are going to have the two different types of questioning patterns. Okay, and that too they may ask you this question directly in the bits also ma. That means every positive even integer is in the form of dash. In the options you may have 4q plus 2, 4q plus 4 differently or in the same option. Okay na? See ma, exercise 1.1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 900 270, 196, 38,220, 1651 and 2032. Firstly, I asked you to do the long division procedure to calculate the HCF. See, out of these at 900 and 270, 270 is the least value, no? With the 270 I am going to divide this 900 ma. Understand? Like that we have to do. Okay na ma? Just you have to check which is the smaller among the given numbers. With that smaller number you are going to find the HCF of the other number. Okay, by using long division method. Then after we are going to apply the Euclid division algorithm. Understand? Now see ma, 270 3s are 810. Okay na? Then here I am going to obtain 90 as remainder. As the remainder is not 0, I am going to divide the divisor 270 with that 90. Okay na? 93s are 270 we know. Here the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then 90 is known as HCF. Then step 1 ma, for writing Euclid division algorithm, step 1, A is equal to, we know the Euclid division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay na? In the same way we are going to write 900 is equal to 270 into 3 plus 90 ma. Okay? Now step 2. In this step 2, A is 270 and 90 into 3 plus 0. Here we obtain 0 now. Then this divisor is known as HCF. Therefore, HCF of 270 comma 900 is equal to 90. Understand ma? Here I am going to solve the second question. Okay, that means here 196 is smaller value now. With this 196 I am going to divide 38,220. So I am going to write directly the quotient here. Why? Because it is long division no ma. So 196 how much are 38,220 or the closer to 38,220 I have to check. If I don't know directly that 196 table, then do the actual division. Okay na, to this 38,220 ma. 196 ones are 196. So 196, 195s are 38,220 ma. So here the remainder is 0. Here we obtain the remainder 0 na ma. So this 196 is known as HCF. Therefore only in one step the HCF is going to be calculated by using division algorithm. So see ma, the A value here 38,220 is equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. Here this divisor 196 is known as HCF. So HCF of what ma? 196 comma 38,220 is equal to 196. Understand ma? In the third question, 1651 and 2032. Okay, if I am going to divide 2032 with 1651 ones are 1651. By subtracting here, see ma, 2 minus 1 means 1. Here it is 13 minus 5, 8, 9 minus 6, 3. 381, 1651 are. Okay, now 381. 4 ja 1 sigma, 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32, 3. Okay, now 4 3 ja 12 plus 3 15. Okay, by subtracting this, okay, 11 minus 4 means it is 7, and 4 minus 2 2, and here we are going to have 6 minus 5 means 1, 381. Okay, now 127 3s are 381, we know, so it is 0. See ma, here the remainder obtained 0 while dividing with 127. So this 127 is known as HCF. Now write the division algorithm. Step 1 ma. Okay, 2032 is equal to 1651 into 1 plus 381 ma. Now step 2. See ma, here the step 2 is 1651 is equal to 381 into 4 plus 127. Now step 3. See ma, 381 is equal to 127 into 3 plus 0. This 127 is known as HCF. HCF is equal to HCF of 1651 comma 2032 is equal to 127 ma. Just you have to write each step by considering A is equal to BQ plus R ma. We know now B, A, Q, R. Every time this is A ma. So A is equal to B into Q plus R no. In the similar way, this is A. A is equal to B into Q plus R. These are the steps. Okay now. So here we are having 3 divisions now. So 3 steps we obtained. Okay. In this way we are going to calculate the HCFs. See ma here. Use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where that q is an integer. For that, firstly just let A be a positive integer ma. A be a positive integer. Okay, then after just write Euclid division lemma definition here. By that A is equal to BQ plus R, comma 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B ma. Okay, that is here clearly B is equal to 6. Why? Because see, every integer is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 is odd we have to show. That means by comparing the given values with this A is equal to BQ plus R, our B value is 6 ma. That is A is equal to what? 6q plus R, comma 0 is less than R is less than 6 ma. That is R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ma. Why? Because this R is less than that B no. Now here we are going to write the cases. Case 1 ma. Okay. If R is equal to 0, then A is equal to C ma. 6q plus 0, that is equal to 6q. And this 6q is expressed as 2 into 3q. That is why it is even ma. Why? Because the numbers which are in the form of 2 into something is even no. So it is even. Case 2. If R is equal to 1, then A is equal to 6q plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 3q plus 1. Now see ma, this 6q plus 1 is expressed as 2 into something plus 1. That is odd. Okay now. Now case 3. If R is equal to 2, okay, then A is equal to 6q plus 2 ma. Take out 2 common from the whole term. That is 3q plus 1. That is equal to even. Okay, now similarly I am going to find all the cases. Case 4. If R is equal to 3, then A is equal to 6q plus 3. And this can be expressed as 6q plus 2 plus 1 ma. This 6q plus 2, from this I am going to take out 2 common, then that is 2 into 3q plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to odd. Now case 5. If R is equal to 4, then A is equal to 6 cube plus 4, that is equal to, if I am going to take out common 2 ma, then 3 cube plus 2 is equal to even. Why? Because that is in the form of 2 into some value. Case 6. See ma, if r is equal to 5, okay, then A is equal to 6 cube plus 5, that is equal to, see ma, I am going to express this as 6 cube plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to, see ma, 2 into 3 cube plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to odd. See, I want only odd cases ma. See, this A becomes odd if it is in the form of 6 cube plus 1, and this A becomes odd if it is in the form of 6 cube plus 3, and the same A becomes odd if it is in the form of 6 cube plus 5. Okay, now by that we are going to conclude that from case 2, 4 and 6. Okay, just we have to remove this show that and write everything what is there in the question mark. From case 2, 4 and 6, any positive integer, odd integer, any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 more. Okay na, in this way we are going to solve the question. Okay na, the same question he may ask in a different pattern mark. Okay na, use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive even integer is in the form of 6 cube plus 2 or 6 cube plus 4 more. Understand? Then we are going to consider case 1, 3 and 5 more to answer the question. Okay. See ma, third question. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1 ma. Okay. Firstly see, if we want to check, just check the square numbers ma. That is 1 square, 2 square, 4 square, 3 square, 5 square. Okay. Now all those square numbers are definitely is in this form ma. That is 3p or 3p plus 1. For example, 1 square, that is 1. 1 is expressed as 3 into 0 plus 1. 1 see ma. 1 square means 1. That can be expressed as 3 into 0 plus 1. And 2 square means 4. That can be expressed as 3 plus 1. That is 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay na. Next. 3 square is equal to 9. This can be expressed as 3 into 3. 4 square is equal to 16. This can be expressed as 3 5s are 15 plus 1. Okay, now that means any square number, that is any positive square number is going to be expressed as 3p or 3p plus 1. But we have to prove this one by using Euclid division lemma. Okay, for that firstly let us assume the positive integer is a. Let a be a positive integer. Okay, Nama. After assuming that a is a positive integer, we have to write the Euclid division lemma definition here. Ma. Okay, you just write that. Here I am going to write only the key value, that is a is equal to bq plus r lemma, and 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. Ma. Understand? Okay. Clearly by the problem here b is equal to 3. Ma. Why? Because see, I have to compare the given value to 3p or 3p plus 1. Then bq plus r is 3p or 3p plus 1. That is b is equal to 3. Okay na? Then a is equal to 3 into q plus r. 0 is less than, r is less than 3 ma. That is r value here is equal to 0, 1, 2. Why? Because the r values are from 0 to less than b. Okay, now that is case 1. Here I am going to write case 1. If r is equal to 0, okay na, then a is equal to 3q plus 0 ma. That implies a is equal to 3q. Now I have to express this a is equal to 3, Utsima. Show that the square of any positive integer is set. So that is why I am going to do the squaring on both sides. Okay, now squaring on both sides means a square is equal to 3q whole square ma. That is equal to 9q square. I am going to express this 9q square as 3 into 3q square. That is equal to 3 into m, where, or write p ma, 3 into p, where p is equal to 3q square. Okay, na. Similarly, case 2 I am going to check. In that case 2, if r is equal to 1, okay na, then this a becomes 3q plus 1 ma. Now squaring on both sides. By doing square, a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square ma. This 3q plus 1 whole square is going to be expressed as a square plus 2ab plus b square no ma. A means 3q. Here it is 3q, 1, 1. That means see ma, 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Okay. From the first two values I am going to take out 3 common. Then it is 3q square plus 2q plus 1. That can be expressed as 3 into p plus 1 ma. Okay. That is, here p is equal to 3q square plus 2q. Here p is equal to 3q square plus 2q ma. Now coming to case 3 ma. See, in this case 3, if r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2 ma. Squaring on both sides. Then a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. See ma, directly I am going to write here 9q square plus 2 into 3q into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 ma. Okay, q plus 4. Okay, this can be expressed as C1, 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1 ma. From the first 3 values I am going to take out 3 common. Then this is 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1 ma. This can be expressed as 3 into p plus 1, where p is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1 ma. So see, from that case 1, 2 and 3, every square, that means any positive number or any positive integer square is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 ma. Once check, here it is 3p plus 1, here it is 3p, and here also it is 3p plus 1. So that is why, okay, from case 1, 2 and 3, okay nama, I am going to write from case 1, 2, 3. Okay, see ma, the square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. That we have to write. Square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 ma. Okay, this is our problem. Understand ma? I hope you understand everyone. See ma, fourth question. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 ma. Okay, it's a very important problem. According to the problem, if I am going to compare it with the Euclid division lemma, our b value is 9 ma. Then it is going to be 9 cases. Okay, from 0 to 8. And it is cubing now. It is going to be a lengthy problem. Okay na? That is why I am going to reduce these 9 cases to 3 cases ma, by just writing one point. That is, listen ma, firstly we have to assume like a be a positive integer, and we know that every positive integer is in the form of 3p, 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2. That means whatever the integer you are going to take, that can be expressed as 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2 ma. For example, see 1 can be expressed as 3 into 0 plus 1, and 2 3 into 0 plus 2, 5 3 into 1 plus 2, 6 3 into 2, 7 3 into 2 plus 1. Like that, whatever the integer we are going to consider, that can be expressed as 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2 ma. That is why I am going to express that as 3p, 3p plus 1, 3p plus 2 ma. Just by comparing this 3p, 3p plus 1, 3p plus 2 with the Euclid division lemma, here our b value is 3 ma. Clearly here b is equal to 3. Okay, if b is equal to 3, then a is equal to 3q plus r, comma 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 3 ma. Okay, now see, that is r is equal to 0 to less than 3 ma, that is 0, 1, 2. So that is why I am going to consider these are three different cases. Case 1, if r is equal to 0, then a is equal to 3q plus 0 ma. That is a is equal to 3q. If a is equal to 3q, we have to check the cube of every positive integer. Then I am going to do cubing on both sides. So a cube is equal to 27q cube ma. That can be expressed as 9 into 3q cube. Okay, why? Because I have to express this value into 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So I am going to take out 9 common from this. So 9 into 3q cube. So here I am going to express this 3q cube as m, then 9m, where that m is equal to 3q cube. This is first case ma. Coming to that case 2. Okay, if r is equal to 1, if r is equal to 1, then a is equal to, we know 3q plus 1 ma. So see ma, a cube is equal to, just we have to cube on both sides because I have to check the cube of any positive integer. So a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. We know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In the place of a and b, just write the empty brackets, then I have to fill those values respectively ma. So 3q whole cube plus 3 into 3q whole square into 1 plus 3 into 3q into 1 square plus 1 cube. See ma, 3q whole cube means it is 27q cube plus 3 into 3q whole square means it is 9q square into 1 means that only. Okay, next 3 into 3q 9q into 1 9q. 1 cube means 1. See ma, from the first 3 times I am going to take out 9 as common. Why? Because I have to express the answer in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So by taking out 9 common, here I am going to get 3q cube. By taking 9 common, here I am going to get 3q square. Here only cube. Okay, so 9m plus 1, where this whole parenthesis value is taken as m. Okay, now coming to that case 3. Here in this case 3, okay, if r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2 we know. Then cubing on both sides. Okay, a cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube ma. Then a cube is equal to 3q whole cube plus 3q whole square into 2 plus 3 into 3q into 2 square plus 2 cube. Now by simplifying this, 27q cube plus 3 into 9q square into 2 plus 9q into 4 plus 8 1. Okay, now see, by taking out common values from the first 3 terms, okay, the 9 is common, we are going to consider 9 into 3q cube plus 3 2s are 6q square and 4q left. Okay, whole plus 8. So I am going to consider that parenthesis value, that is 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q as m. Then it is expressed as 9m plus 8m. So that is from case 1, 2 and 3. The cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8m. Understand? That's a very very important problem. Okay, I hope you understand everyone. See ma, the 5th question. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where that n is any positive integer. Firstly write the given numbers. Okay, now the given numbers are n, n plus 2, n plus 4, where n is positive integer. Okay, Nama? Now see, I am going to consider three different cases for the three different n values. Ma. Now, firstly consider case 1. Okay, if n is equal to some 3. Okay, if n is equal to 3 or n is equal to 4, that's your wish. Ma. You may take any value for n. For n is equal to 4, the numbers are okay now. The numbers are what, ma? 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 4. That is equal to 4, 6, 8. That is 1 and only 1 out of the above numbers see ma, here 4, 6, 8 we obtained. So that is the 6 is the one and only one number which is divisible by 3. That we are going to write as the conclusion. One and only one out of the above numbers is, above numbers, that is in bracket, right ma, 6 is divisible by 3. Okay, similarly consider another number for n ma. Okay, if n is equal to 7, okay, then the numbers are see ma, if n is equal to 7, then the numbers are 7, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 4, that is equal to 7, 9, 11. Similarly, I am going to write the same conclusion, that is 1 and only 1 out of the above numbers. Is above numbers, that is what ma, 9 is divisible by 3. Similarly case 3 ma. Okay, if n is equal to 8, okay, then the numbers are tell me what are those numbers? 8, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 4, that is equal to 8, 10, 12. So that is 1 and only one out of the above numbers what is that one numbers, that is 12. Okay now, is divisible by 3. Okay, similarly see ma, just we considered three different cases. So in the final conclusion we are going to write from case 1, 2 and 3. Okay now, one and only out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 I am going to write. Okay, from case 1, 2, 3, okay, 1 and only, see ma, 1 and only 1 out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Okay na ma? Clear? Divisible by 3. Lack of space, I am writing with small letters ma. Just try to understand, okay? So in this way we are going to solve this question. And we are having another method for this also. I am going to explain you this question and the previous question in a separate video. Why? Because those are lengthy problems ma. and these are enough for 10th class ma. Understand? I hope you understand everyone. Okay, these are very very important theoretical questions ma. Thank you for watching and thanks for your kind support towards our channel ma. Thank you everyone.